looks like an abandoned book. Been here before, actually. And I actually saw this. It's an abandoned travel. Wow. Yeah. Someone used to live here probably to travel. I think our trail is going to go a little further than... That looks like a good thing to flip. This giant stick. There we go. Nothing. Just a bunch of nothing. It's broken. Ah! Yeah. I think someone can... Oh, nothing. Oh. As you are the star, as you might go to mind to feel, as you and down to know things, you know what the season to the caterpillar.
Hold it down. Put one of these logs over. What'd you already find?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Another caterpillar.
Oh, what the heck is that one?
Oh, what is it?
Interesting.
Oh, let's go. I know it looks like it's off by
Here,
the
put it here. Let's zoom in on this thing. Oh no.
What?
It's out.
What is it? No.
We don't know. We have to look it up. I'm gonna look it up for us.
I never liked this one. Well, I think it's the sneeze. Bless you. Oh. Oh. Want to pick up? You? Get on. No. Get on. Get on. No.
Don't grab him, Roy. Don't grab him. You will get killed.
I think he's...
Look at this one, man.
Wow. He's on. Okay. It has some moss on it.
Ready? Here we
Probably
go.
something lives. Oh my gosh! Do you see that? Something under it. Oh, look at that.
Slug?
Slug, it's so cool. What kind of is it? Well, is it?
What are these eggs?
Probably it's eggs. Wow. Ants' eggs. Let's look up what that slug is. I'm gonna go get a stick and the camera will be cool. Yeah, that's the perfect stick.
Okay, Mitch, what would you like to,
Who is it?
Who? Or you want to go down to the water and see if we can find some,
Let's see for some frogs. I can't wait.
Oh! No, come back.
Who else?
Alright, why don't we put him on a tree so he can go be moth?
Yeah, what
We'll
is
get
it?
out of here. He's like, feel.
We'll find more.
I love it.
Yeah, we gotta find more, buddy. Come on, we'll find more. Okay, let's go see if we can find more.
Bye. See you soon. I wonder if we'll see him ever again.
Oh.
by your face.
Whacker. Well, you don't even used to drive this because I don't really know. Wow. Gosh. It's so rustic. Oh my gosh. It's kind of a good shape actually. You know how this works? Also the cute. Wow. Oh, so that's what it does. Get out of the way. Look, this can move.
Yeah, it's a lever.
How do you know this? Guys, did you ride this? Because it was a very long time since I've been here. And the pond is halfway not here. Gosh. This is really, terrible. I'm saying it's good. Where's
My
the,
dad.
it's right there.
What?
That, it's so blended in.
What is it?
I don't know. I think it's like a spider that can fly.
A fly spider? That thing right there.
Let's look it up. What is it? Oh, maybe it's a moth.
Yeah.
I see him! I
Where'd you
see
go?
him!
Do you see him? Where'd you go? Oh, I see him. You see him, Alex?
What's
He's
moving?
gonna touch him. He's gonna jump.
The bird away. I'm sorry. Wow. Where is he?
Get it.
Whoa. Why are you so scared?
I'm not scared. I just.
Okay.
You can touch him.
I don't know how this even works, guys. Or you know who ride this and actually do this, but guys, leave a comment down below if you want to see us find that frog ever again, because I don't know what we should name the frog, because we don't know. Do you know how to really work? No, how is it? Wait. I don't know. When we should go here then. I know. Guys, comment down below when we should come back here again. Yeah, I don't. Make sure to check out another one of our videos. We're going to make